gonna try Raohe night market. Exit 5 from the Songshan line, green line. Oh, there you go. There's the signage. Here, Raohe night market. This is kind of big compared to Ningxia. Other stalls are not yet here, not yet set up. We're actually early. It's still 4. Well, sorry for the watch. Yeah, almost 5. Good. Mangga? Preserved egg. Like century egg? Or century egg, no? 100 years. We ordered cheese egg, which is $50. Looks like the egg is the base. One a little pepper. I make it 2. The other one also, please. And then ketchup. Fries. Imo honey mustard. Ikaw mag-pepper? Oh, that's yours, miss. Mana doon? Shay. Here. Ame. It tastes good. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.